The following video highlights an HPMS dashboard developed by the project team involving ADOT's Multimodal Planning Division and Gistic Research. The goal of this dashboard was to examine the centerline miles, lane miles, and vehicle miles traveled of the annually reported HPMS data. The features allow the user to break down the data by various district boundaries, ownership, national highway system, and various other criteria. As you can see, the dashboard aggregates the totals of each key performance indicator here. These numbers change based on the set of filters or parameters that are applied. Different years of HPMS data can be filtered by either selecting the year in the temporal line graph or by selecting the desired year in the drop-down filter. Once you have selected a year to examine, you may begin filtering the data by your area of interest. The owner filter, for instance, allows you to select only routes that are owned by the state highway agency. You may then want to exclude the null values that are not part of the national highway system in the NHS dropdown. Additional filters include the NCIC county code assigned to the routes, whether to include frontage roads or ramps, and if you want to include or exclude for cardinality. The dashboard offers the user several types of district boundaries to segment the data by. For example, here I'm going to select Engineering District to divide my data. You can choose a specific district by either polygon selection in the geographic area or in the name drop-down list. If you want details of each route in a district, go over to the route map and select Route Detail Map in the drop-down. Now you will see the middle table includes a breakdown of the routes in that district boundary. Say you want to examine the details of the route across all boundaries. Simply go back to the Applied Name filter and undo the selection by either reselecting the polygon or rechecking All in the Name drop-down filter. The Route Search option allows you to select a specific route from the drop-down list and even filter for a specific beginning point range. Notice how the route map and the key performance indicators adjust to the filtered data. On the lower left of the map panel, there are two map options and the metadata option. The metadata option allows the user to see the source of data, definitions of the KPIs, and contacts for the data source. This HPMS dashboard offers many dimensions of interrogation to your data. The remainder of this video will discuss the technical making behind the dashboard. The core mission of the ADOT Data Visualization Project was to build self-service, user-friendly dashboards to present authoritative metrics of several key performance indicators based on authoritative data sources. For the HPMS dashboard featured, we overcame the following three main challenges. The source data was in various formats. HPMS data was not segmented by boundaries such as engineering and maintenance districts, and a lack of metadata about the data sources, KPIs, etc. The project team devised FME-based ETL processes to transform and funnel data into the MPD data mart on SQL Server, where the data is consumed by the Tableau server for publication. In the metadata ETL process, the source is a spreadsheet with multiple tabs to reflect the normalized design of the metadata table shown in below. The spreadsheet is set up so it can easily be updated by the user with little training while maintaining integrity. The second ETL uses LRS custom transformers developed by Gistic and published in the FME hub to segment LRS features by the boundaries. The third ETL combines boundaries of different types into a single boundary feature, which aids the user in selection of boundaries as a dimension. The success of ADOT's HPMS dashboard is a direct result of the data-centric vision and the proper orchestration of technologies by the ADOT Gistic team.